Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So on our Scratch page on our website, bootuppd.org, you can find some projects that use some of the pen blocks. So for instance, the Nyan simulator, we have a project where you are going to carve a pumpkin. So when you click, it's going to carve. We've got one where you create some really neat designs. We've got another one where you actually just write out lines of code and then it draws the pumpkin for you or carves the pumpkin for you. And then if you scroll down further, down to some of the, whoops, I passed it. Projects 31 and 32. So it uses some of the stamp blocks from the pen blocks. But I want to show you another really neat idea that you can use pen blocks for. All right, so the project that I'm going to show you is called 90% Pen Platformer and is by Graphics Games. So let's take a look at this. So when you press the green flag, it draws out a level, and then you are the player, and you are going to try and get to that goal without, whoops, touching the red like I just did. I'm not really good at this game. I need to practice. There we go. So as you're going through this, it continues to draw more levels, more complicated levels, and you're able to navigate through the environment. So let's take a look at the actual code for this one. Let me show you what the purple does. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so there are many more levels in this one, but let's see inside, and let's take a look at the code. So we have our thumbnail. So this is just basically hiding it. We have our player. So this is causing the player to move around. And this is the code for it. And it's checking the different colors, which will make it so it'll bounce or make it so it resets back to the beginning or goes to the next level, depending on what color you land on or touch. But the rest of the code is all in this pen block. So if we zoom out a bit, we can see that there's a lot of code in here. And what's pretty cool is if you want to see how this actually works, you can pull out different parts of the code. So for example, this chunk and be like, okay, level 1, let's see what it does with level 1. So when you click on it, it'll actually draw the code on here. Let me press the green flag just to clear it. So that's the code for level 1. Now, if you want to see what happens with, I don't know, level 10, you can pull this out again and then just click on it. And then, whoops, I clicked on the wrong spot. It will draw level 10 for you. So then you can try changing these numbers around, changing the order of things, and then see what happens when you do that. So you can create your own levels. So I thought that was a really neat idea for how you can use pen blocks. I wanted to share that with you. What are some other really neat ideas that you have done with pen blocks? Comment below and let us know some of the cool things that you have done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.